Biorecovery. The year was 2050, and the world had reached a critical juncture. Climate change had ravaged the planet, leaving behind a desolate and inhospitable landscape. Humanity faced its greatest challenge yet: survival. In a remote underground bunker, a group of scientists and engineers worked tirelessly to find a solution. Among them was Dr. Emily Carter, a brilliant computer scientist specializing in artificial intelligence. She had developed an advanced AI system named Atlas, designed to aid humanity in its struggle for sustainability. The bunker provided the last bastion of hope. It was equipped with state-of-the-art technology, allowing the scientists to monitor the remaining resources, weather patterns, and other critical data. They relied on Atlas to analyze the information and propose strategies for survival.